Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through how to get started with Marvelous Designer. Marvelous Designer is perfect for beginners who want to create realistic 3D clothes. Whether you're into games, films or fashion, this tool is incredible and actually fun to use once you know the basics. So let's dive in. When you open Marvelous Designer, you'll see two main areas. On the left is the 2D pattern window, where you will draw your clothing shapes. Think of it like it's a digital sewing. On the right is a 3D window where you will see your garments take shapes on your avatar in real time. You will also see your library and tools on the side panels and your property editor on the right. To get started, we need a mannequin to dress. So go to File, add an avatar, then select one of your default options. You'll now have a 3D figure standing in a scene, ready to wear whatever you create. Now let's make a simple shot. In the 2D window, select the rectangle tool, click and drag and draw a box about 300 millimeters wide and 400 tall. That's the side of the t-shirt. Duplicate it for the back and place both near to the avatar using the arrangement positions. You can use curvature tool to make a slightly curved rectangle. Next up is sewing. Switch to the segment sewing tool and then click one side of the front panel, then click the matching side on the back. Repeat for the shoulders and the opposite sides. Make sure the sewing lines are in the correct direction. Blue should connect to the red. Watch how the shirt instantly drops and wraps around the avatar using real cloth physics. If you're feeling confident, you can add internal lines to cut in sleeves or even place buttons or zippers from your object menu. These details also react to physics once simulated. When you're happy with the design, you can export it for use in other 3D software. So go to File, Export, OBJ, export as OBJ or FBX. Be sure to export with thin or thick fabric depending on your project. And that's how you get started in Marvelous Designer. You now understand the core workflow, pattern creation, sewing, simulation, and editing. From here, you can start making jackets, dresses, pants, you name it. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, I'll respond. And if you'd like the project file or video follow-up or even the software itself, just let me know. Thank you for watching and keep creating.